Welcome to the political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yempe alawa, yepe posting, yempe alawa, yepe posting, yempe alawa, yepe posting. How far be market? How be market? Our nurses. How be market now? How wanna they do? Everything fine? You feature up now. If they do 133, you are doing the 101 and I saw you 001 and I saw you 100. You see? If you are see we no. Nipa ya dia osayi. Yes. You see? Rome was never built in a day. No. Everything is a process. As we grow as a nation, new problems arise. Right? So there's not going to be any day in our lives, and even in the life too, even after the generation after us, that suddenly all problems will be solved, everything will be fine, everybody will be sorted. No such time will ever come. But what you look up to is to a leadership that is proactive, leadership that provides solutions. That is what you look up to. That is the reassurance that we have. That is why we elect leaders. So that during tough times, when problems arise, they will sit and think solutions. Now, I thought they be on. It becomes very, very difficult for some of us to even feel any sort of pity for our nurses and teachers. And today we are speaking about our nurses, so let me concentrate on our nurses. Because we are nurses, you will have seen, say, and you know deep within you, say, MPP abaya ebaya and Akufo-Addo no. Aboa nurses for be brave. Akufo-Addo abaya from 2017 to 2024. One of the biggest beneficiaries of Akufo-Addo's regime are nurses. Eba salary more. Before Akufo-Addo beba abaya mono. Obi a nursing officer. Just say wako university a oye nursing. Why nursing or university on your degree, first degree or nursing. Or ye juma ni pay 2,800. That is what they were taking when Akufo-Addo, before Akufo-Addo came to power. 2,000. In fact, that was it did not even reach there. Or ebimukwa di 2,200. And amodi kofi. We are nurse or nursing officer. Under Akufo-Addo, the gross salary of nursing officers went up to 4,500, 45 million old currency, almost 100% of idea of Nyana John Mahama Emaomo. Under Akufo-Addo we are alawa John Mahama aban wickedly pound omu yi free ho. Ma yen nuanom a more nursing training colleges no. Na yenim say most of them are the nursing training colleges no. Sa alawa na omu di tua mu rent, sa alawa na omu di tua mu school fees. John Mahama na o se on tua biom, o se on tie obia. Upe akoto abatia no. Akufo-Addo buy no say Debbie alawa we there. No matter what it will cost my government, I will bring it back. Odi buy. Or the buyer 8 years na Akufo-Addo tua alawa. Alawa na bo, alawa na ba. Now, ade bi so why a friend cost of living allowance. Kola. Bekaya. In the heat of 2022, recession bar all over the world, the economies were dangling because of the Russia-Ukraine war and all its accoutrements. No. Cost of living allowances were negotiated right here in Ghana. Buying mamu percentage. And I was told that percentage was is it calculated as against inflation and all those. And I go for the workshops nurses call ebini. And easy. And I go for it. Before Akufo-Addo will come to power, now there was total freeze in public sector employment. Just say I buy on for beer into government. We a nurse, we a teacher, we a doctor. I buy some for beer. And there were more than 4 batches of nurses and now mutinefi. Now, what I would say is our nursing system no, and I say you realize say obi wie school or licensing exam. Or choose our licensing exam ne we or train kakra na ne result ba. Result no ban and sana or start or any service. At any service no obey no over 1 year. And your yes service we no a hona onya ni pin. Unya u pina. That is when you qualify to be employed. So what this means is say obi timi wie school now that process of so virtual licensure exam about any service and get his pin no e bet me taking 2 years. And after that 2 years and pano why employable no people still stayed home for over 4 years, which means that people nurses under John Mahama were staying home for even 6 years, some 5 years, some 4, some 3. Akufo-Addo ba mono. You went back to IMF. Could negotiate here. Say IMF for there be I say you nurses and hospitals no nurses never on doors. IMF say okay, Akufo-Addo go ahead. Akufo-Addo came to clear all those backlogs. Oh, why be you? Akufo-Addo, why be? What clear sa backlog nina? Or clear we no? And some bien mama those nurses that were coming out of school under Akufo-Addo 2017 for 18 for 19 for 2024. Even some people in 2021. Now where I told you say obi school some buffer period is there. I'll buy training licensing and obey any servicing so and to obi a we 2021 bia no answer na e bia obey ready for job market no na be 2023. And in essence no under Akufo-Addo no there were only about just 2 batches that were employable now mutinefi compared to over 5 batches na e ojo Mahama ben mu still when na necessary for say omoninji ho. And now we want jobs, we don't want allow. Now be our record for creating jobs. You catch them. MPP are buying. It's a guy, but so necessary. They say necessary threatening say April we munu say are buying and share art pinu so say conditions of service be what scabia and like I say buying 2 muna say Mahama buying say on just as canima on beko strike. Muma are buying up to the middle of April. If those issues are not rectified, they will go on strike. Tiye koye anasa ye buy. When a reset ya promise ye. We a reset. Reset and time be say. Teachers, doctors, nurses. You say obia threatens obeko strike. Just 3 months. 3 months pay. 3 months imponi. And 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. We are in for a very, very long ride under NDC. Now, you're born empire. That the signs we are seeing, how messed up things are looking, no, or severe, because the signs are not too good. It's not too good. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.